Hello everyone and welcome to another Ben and Raffa quick scan live trading scalping session. Hopefully we're going to be doing some nice trades today, just like last week where we had a nice winner. Let us know how you're doing on the chat. If you've had any trades, if you have any questions, and as always, like and subscribe to the channel because it really helps us out a lot. How are you doing, Raffa?
Doing good, Ben, thanks.
Good.
Today we have a rough market, so I'm sure we are going to spot some interesting setup, some interesting pair to be traded. So let's go.
Oh yeah. Let's switch back to 3 minutes because I really liked the 3 minutes last time. We've got the quick scanner settings up. If you're new to the channel, new to this subject, using 15 minutes on Binance Futures. Got some minimum volume set of 100,000. No, of 1 million, sorry. Rising, looking for rises and drops 2% and fat fingers of 15. Not that we will get one of those on futures, but if we do, that would be insanely amazing. 15 minutes time frame. Let's see. Let's go. So, any regulars on the channel today? I see Crypto Granny already said hello, but that was, I think, earlier today. Fartcoin is, is okay. I mean, I have to say, if we're looking at it, markets are a bit bullish today.
Yeah.
So I'm kind of favoring the long side a little bit today.
Wise choice.
So this one will be, I mean, it's possible, but I don't like this, and I don't like I wanted this. Like a candle like that is good.
You cannot see the screen,
Oh,
Ben.
sorry. Yeah. Why do I forget that? There you go. That's better. Now people are knowing. So quick scan. Let's go over the settings again. Like here. 50 minutes. Million 22215. And getting the scans in. It's quick. So yeah, as I was saying, we're favoring the longs today. So we'll be looking for green ones. But I'm not going to shy away from a quick short if this pops quickly, then there is a good opportunity. But it's not like massively jumping out. Ooh, that's a 4%. Here I am saying we're favoring longs. Just means maybe a bit more careful with the shorts. Just to make sure that we don't go crazy. Like normally I would set it to here. This is a nice candle, so.
Yeah. Usually based on my experience, when the sentiment market is positive and Wall Street open the first 2 hours, all the assets are bullish, and close to lunchtime, they got some correction.
Yeah.
So based on statistics, always the first 2-3 hours are extremely positive, and then we have some correction because like market makers or whales, they take profit for for the morning and they get back to the market in afternoon. So
Well, yeah, I mean, if you just made 6% in 33 minutes, it's gonna be nice.
yeah,
Oof, tricky one. Yeah, I'm so hesitant right now because it's looking so bullish. Right, this would have been the massive trade. Yeah, I think we just have to be a little bit more patient. It will come to us. Yeah. It will come to us. Oh, what was... Yeah, we're looking for a drop. Yeah, here. Yeah, this is more like it. This is more like it. So we've got our nice uptrend. Like so.
ooh, looks so solid, bullish trend. Yeah.
We're trading outside of that. Still waiting a little bit. Now let's see if we have any opportunity that gives us some nice 1.6. Could be better. But I mean, yeah, this would be the massive move, of course.
Yeah, need to be a bit patient, but the setup looks really nice, really nice. I'm watching my crypto watch list and every number is green. So very positive sentiment today.
Yeah.
I think because of data just released from USA. So positive data and market reacts.
It's getting there. PANGU. It's getting there. So we're looking for a trade outside of the Bollinger Band and anything in the overbought or oversold area, which it currently isn't for any. So yeah, here this move would have been good. Nice profit. This move would have been good. Nice profit. This move, barely, but would be profit. But here we're not getting that drop below yet. So maybe on the next candle. Maybe if it closes. Otherwise we just have to wait and just have to be patient. Just gonna pin it. Just lock it for now. Do I have... I really need to just clean these up a bit. This is my demo account, so I don't really manage it properly. But complex setup. Yeah, what does that mean? Probably have to do this again for when we do the back testing, but yeah. Let's start with our quick scan long, and we'll take hotkey. Let's do that. Yeah, save preset. Let's set one up for a short as well. Take profit. So stop loss there. 1%. Yeah, it's fine. Let's create our preset. Quick scan. Short. And we'll do it like that. Okay, so let's test it out. Yep, that works. And that works fine. Ooh, look at that. We might be getting there. 1.5, yeah.
I'm extremely bullish on PANGU.
Yeah, it is now in that area. Yeah, you know what? Just for the sake, I will buy more if necessary.
Yeah.
Let's get the trade arrows on the screen. There we go. And now we just have to... You know what? I want to have an alert when this one breaks. Yeah. Oh yeah. Put my phone out so I can actually see. I also, now that we have entered, I do like it. Like a lot. I'm being greedy. I know. Can you blame me? Let's see if we have anything else. That one's locked, so should be okay here. That's breaking out. That's nowhere near. Ooh. It's been okay. Do we see any bounces? Yeah, like that. Nice bounce up. What is the difference? No.
Let's see.
No. HIPPO. Didn't we have HIPPO last week? Wasn't that our good trade last week?
Yeah, HIPPO was the worst 2 weeks ago, if I remember it well. Was the only one who we got wrong entry.
Ooh, this
the
is...
only one.
This is... No, nothing. This would have been nice, but... Oh, do we already have something? No. No. Okay, just gonna clear this. And let's have a look. So what's Bitcoin doing actually? Bitcoin was going, yeah, 110.
Bitcoin is going well. It's like looks like we want to break up the flag pattern, and it's extremely bullish. Especially yesterday candle. Today is only 1%, and is calming down a little bit. So maybe we could see a later impulse, a spike up, but yeah, for now is the top looks good. Looks good.
Ah, 1.7. Not great. Whoa. Oh yeah. I mean, this is unsustainable. It really is, but...
These shirts. Yeah, volume are dropping on Bitcoin, so we could see the same scenario to other pairs, other coins. So this is B. What is this coin?
Yeah,
B?
the B coin. Not the A
B
coin,
coin.
but the B coin. But you know what? I'm actually... I really like this room, so I'm gonna be taking it. Yeah.
B like Mr. Bean.
Lock it. I might regret it. Oh, actually, just take the stop loss off. Yeah, just bought B. That's correct. Are we gonna be looking at a nice? Always when you look, right? It's always when you look.
Ooh. I really love PANGU. PANGU looks so clear, so clean.
Yeah. Well, there we go. First profit of the day. How long in? 17 minutes in?
Yeah, 10 minutes, 10 minutes.
That's kind of good. Well, let's lock in the profit. Make sure that we don't turn into a loss. Setting up the stop loss. Plenty of live in the coins on a Friday afternoon, but it's Thursday. We have that. Just now PANGU, yeah, but we've already done that. SPX, not there. I mean, look at this move. From here. Ooh. In an hour. Not bad. There is logic to this trading strategy. There is. Portal. Nah. See, the moves aren't violent enough. Like this one was. This one was. But these are just... meh. It's okay, Soda. You can leave the messages. H. Well, we had B. Why not H? What am I seeing here? Not a whole lot of volatility. That's kind of the issue. Like, yeah. I do see if this one returns, could see a nice bounce of it. Like the volume is decreasing. Oh, B is just rising. No. H. I don't know. This somehow this feels like something is brewing.
Yeah.
Like here, you get another bounce of this. I mean, it is bullish. So
It's extremely bullish. We are on demand zone, discount zone. So maybe could see accumulation phase, a bit consolidation phase before a spike upper.
No. No, this, I mean, I might regret it, but there's just not, it's not volatile. I'm waiting for a move to happen, but that's not how it's supposed to be done. We're waiting. We should look for the move like that. Like that's a candle.
Yeah.
Like this is a move. Like this was the move. We entered here, got our first profit. Now we're trying to get this one to go higher.
So we have closed half of the position because I can't see too small. Half, like 50%, 50%.
70%. 70% was the first.
Oh, 70. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So you always put like 70% and 30%.
Yeah. The reason for that is that it's usually like then it brings your break even like far below the entry. So even if it does return to entry, he's still left with nice profit. That's the logic behind it.
I see.
And right now we're trailing with take profit or with the stop loss. So you can see, boop, there he goes. I'm not touching the keyboard. I'm not doing anything.
We just leave it there and Altrady.
Watch the magic happen live. So we've got our take profit here and we've got our trailing stop loss following along, meaning that we will get out here or on a downward move. Like we're not gonna wait the full bit because we're scalping. We're not doing a day trade position. Like we're trying to get out and in as quickly as possible. Now this one is walking away from us. But in order to buy extra, we need to have this violet move again. Right, we need to have something trading outside of the Bollinger Band. Like so.
Bitcoin is pushing up new volume inflowing. Ethereum, on the other hand, is so boring, just stuck in that range.
Let's see this one.
Personally, do you prefer Bitcoin or Ethereum band?
A Bitcoin. I'm a big
Bitcoin.
Yeah, I'm a big
Bitcoin fan.
Holder. Yeah. Reason being that Bitcoin is just like the first, the one and only. Yeah. Okay, so that target I find a little bit too high. Just taking that. Yeah. I think it's okay to get the extra bit in. Might not be, but who knows? Yeah, is that the full position? Two entry. Yep. Break even is now moved. Right, so we might actually be able to see how I would normally manage this if it walks like this with extra, like extra entries. It's early enough. We have 26 minutes in, so How's PANGU doing? Still going. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's see. Can we get another chart in? Let's just. It's locked. H. Oh yeah, we were looking at H actually. But yeah, I don't find it good enough. This I find good enough. Yeah, this I find extremely good enough. Well, let's go quick here because we might be missing our entry.
Oh,
Stop loss there, 1%. Go. Might have missed the entry. We might get lucky. Will we get so lucky? I don't want to get in higher because then I'm just taking away from the profit margin that we have here because that's, yeah, 1.8. Let's just do expired position at, yeah, there. Can have a look. Oh, actually, I want to get rid of my stop loss as well. Yep. MYX. Nope. Portal. Nope. Oh. Oh. Oh, look at that. Just nice. It's very choppy, this one. The hook.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, this and a recovery. Yeah. Like I did say, the longs today are looking favorable.
Yeah. I mean, PANGU was already so good, so nice.
Yeah, let's hope that B also works out. It looks like it's gone up, but I might be wrong. There, hook, one, it's fine. Yeah, I'm gonna take it. And actually, don't know why I always do this in hindsight. Place, there we go, B. Looks like we're gonna get again. Now, I will say, I will add one more entry order. And after that, I will have to do it with whatever is in the position. How's PANGU doing? PANGU is looking like it's going to be closing soon.
Ooh, maybe we could enter long one more time.
On PANGU?
Yeah.
Well, it has to drop. It has to drop below, like outside of the Bollinger Band, of course. Yeah, there we go. That's a stop loss. That's gone. Nice. Actually, we got more profit than if we had sold the whole position. It's marginal, but it is more profit. Let's see how we doing on hook. Hook is loading. Yeah, so we closed one fully in profit. Awesome. Then we can close it off. Put it in our logbook. And be happy. Let's see. Can we do another one? Maybe. Portal, no. Ooh. DMC. Look. Now, if only we could get a nice panic drop. Like, if we could get like a nice candle. You know what? I'm actually... if I can be quick enough. Trading. So I'm going to be setting up like that. And then I would want that. And 1%. Yes, stop loss off. Let's go. Now let's hope for a quick grab. It's a bit of anticipation, a bit of waiting, but how nice would it be if you can actually get that in? Okay.
Did we reach the break even on B?
On B. Yeah. You can see break even.
We reached the break even, yeah.
So position info says we're in profit at the moment. Let's make sure.
Yeah, overall I can see drops everywhere as we are getting close to lunchtime in USA. Oh, still early, just 10:30.
Melania, where's Melania? I saw Melania. Can we get in?
Melania is still listed? I thought it get delisted.
When?
Some maybe not on. Are we on
this Binance futures? Yeah.
I have read some news about getting delisted, but maybe I'm wrong.
When did you read that?
Some days ago, I was scrolling some news
some days
on Crypto Times. Yeah, and I heard about like they want to delist Melania for, I don't know, some scandals, and maybe there is some liquidity issue. I have no idea. I don't remember it well. I read too many news every day. I can't focus just on Melania.
Yeah. Just have to wait a few more seconds. Oh, this is always such a, like, when do I enter? When do I enter? But I don't see no green yet, so... Is the reverse win? Oh, we see a crossover happening here. This one's there. Yeah, this is looking like better. Let's see if it's a bit... Will it continue? It's going to go down a little bit more. I think it's good enough.
Yeah, I think we can place the order.
Can we get some more out of it? Yeah. Did I just... Was that just 2 seconds too late? I might be. Oh, that's unfortunate. That is unfortunate. Although we might still get. I'll just leave it for like. Oh yeah, let's do the expire position like that. Oh, I almost forgot about hook. My positions. We've got HFT as well. And I need to lock these because I'm forgetting about them. Doing so much now. That's Melania bot. Okay, interesting. Did I have them all open? DMC. Locked up. So we now have 1, 2, 3 open. So I'm going to cancel DMC. 3 is enough. HFT is looking like we're not gonna get there yet. I don't know. Thinking about this one. Like, let's just...
It's going sideways. It's not a good sign.
We have here Melania, yeah. Let's just turn this off for a sec, because otherwise just be bombarded with more notifications that we're not going to take in anyway, because these will be probably the last trades that we'll take today. And then we had... Oh, we're actually in 4 trades. Which one do I not have open? Melania, B, hook. Oh, hook.
Come on, Melania. Make us happy.
And B. Right. Let's check how Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin's also gone down. Oh, there's an opportunity on Bitcoin. But yeah, the thing is with this, it's like it's nice, but you see, there's no room. Like this one would have been 1.5%. Look at that swing. An hour for 1.5%.
Yeah.
That's nothing.
Yeah, for scalping, Bitcoin is not
no, but
great.
it is good to look at Bitcoin while scalping, because yeah, you can see this move bullish. Yeah, colliding with the others as well.
Yeah, Bitcoin is the benchmark, so always keep an eye on Bitcoin, even when you are doing scalping or daily or just holding. But yeah, for scalping, I think Bitcoin doesn't give that much satisfaction.
This move is just too much. Like, look at that on a 4 hour. It's like, oof. Volume is decreasing.
It's gonna take so long for B.
Well, yes,
Okay.
and yes and no. Like, it can, like, all of a sudden do that. That's what we're hoping for, right? Like, a massive move down. Just that,
Yeah, suddenly
that
we
quick
could see a
violent
spike
move
down. Yeah.
But yeah, here it's looking like boom there, and then you get that move, but then the sideways movement. So I still don't see that big sell-off yet. Potential is high for B. Is anyone copying me in these trades actually, or you just looking? Melania.
I don't have any feedback yet. Actually, I really would like to copy the PANGU trade. That was really nice.
That was a sweet one. That was a sweet one. It's just all these coins. Got a little bit too many, I think. 4's just a bit too much, because if I have to manage those, well, actually I won't have time to manage those. Just have to close them, so at least put them in locations where they're like likely to profit. Okay, we're broken to the low. Can we get lower? Can we get lower? Would be nice if we can get multiple wins today. Let's have a look at Hook. Oof. Hook might be going again. Soda saying, I'm not copying, but I'm very interested in seeing how someone solves the problems I also encounter. All right. So which problem exactly did I just solve? I mean, I'm just winging it here. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing. Just opening up positions left, right, and center. No, there is logic to this madness. Yeah. It's just, yeah, like I said last week, these episodes are just a tad too short. Just a tad too short to I'm gonna move this take profit to here and this one to there. because I don't think that there's enough room. Like it might bounce off this center line. Maybe I'm not being patient enough. Maybe that's it. No, we get just missing the entry and sliding back and forth. Why not just use a market order? Well, I tend not to use market orders a lot because, first of all, market orders are usually impulse movements anyway. So if you click the button, and especially on these low time frames, if you click the button for a market order and there is a second time in there, we're playing with such small margins that if I don't get the right price, then my profit margin is too small. So if I hit it in the market order, like if there's just a sudden spike, and these happen, like this spike, if it happens during my placement of the order, I could just lose 0.5% instantly. So that's why I tend not to use market orders. Like I'm using limit orders with a taker entry, meaning that I will get filled if the price is still where it should be. But I will not overpay. And that is not a guarantee with market orders. With market orders, you can overpay. And that's not what I want. So that's why I use that. But yeah, someone said to me, a market order is always an impulse movement. And that's never good. Don't trade on impulses, they say. So I don't know why we're doing day trading and scalping, but here we are. making impulse move after impulse move. It's gonna touch this middle line soon.
I think it's almost time to close the order on B. What do you think, Ben?
Yeah, I think so too. But also on this HFT, I want to close part of it because it's already in the middle line now. With decent profit, actually. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I missed the stream again. Looks like you have some really good trades. That's what Roman says. Yeah, forget about smart money concept. This is the way to go. Just YOLO all your money on a Bollinger Band.
All in on Bollinger Bands.
All in on Bollinger Band. Let's manage this position. So this is our second profit of the day, people. Our second profit of the day.
2 shots. Double kill.
Now we need to look at B because this is... Yeah, I'm going to close this one. Actually, I'm just going to cancel it because this close position... And now I will close at market, actually. I just see that the other markets are now moving up. This has touched the middle line. Like, you can't... Yeah, it's about to touch it. It's there. The risk of this going now upwards, considering that the rest is going up, that's enough for me to get out in this one. It's not the move that I wanted, but in this case, it's good enough for me. Yeah, so 0.5% profit is good enough for me. We can leave it open, see what happens, see if we made the right decision or not. This one is locked in profit. That's good. Melania is going up. That's also good. Hook is going up in profit. So let's look at the closed ones of today. These two. 2 closed in profit. and 1 already locked in. So we have 3 in profit.
Awesome. Great result.
And 2 in just, I don't know. If I close them now, they'll be fine. Has Roman already signed a permanent employment contract? Well, Roman is a co-founder, so yeah. He ain't going anywhere. Roman has been with me. Well, I know Roman for a very long time now. Very long time. I don't remember, 10 years? Maybe more? Years before we started Altrady, actually. It would have hit the profit, the first one. That's okay. Profit is profit. Ah, this one's there. Since April 2015. That's 10 years then. I'm liking this one. This is like a... Ooh, this is Melania. Melania is choppy. Like there's indecision here. We're getting out of this. We're getting back into the... I feel like this is gonna go up soon.
Me too. Me too.
This one... you can see this is going up, but it's moving sideways. This one's kind of moving sideways. Yeah, bit boring. Hook is a bit boring.
Yeah.
HFT is good. Oh yeah, that's the volume thingy. This strategy seems much easier to automate, isn't it? Well, yes and no. I mean, if you haven't seen the entries that I take, but I don't take the entries exactly like the decisions that I make them are like second based. So I see the move and then like I see the reaction and then I decide to enter. So it's more difficult to automate the exact entry. But I'm pretty sure that you can automate this as well based on other criteria. But yeah, you'd have to backtest that. I know that there are people that are automating this strategy. But I don't know. It feels kind of nice to. One day I will find the perfect automation. I think the perfect automation is called a dishwasher. You're not gonna get it more perfect than that. So Raffa, do you think you'll be able to do this as well?
What do you mean, to automate some strategy?
No, to play this strategy.
Yeah. I used to, but not like 5 minutes time frame. And yeah, maybe next time I will copy yours and make it mine. because it's going so well. So why not always copy some
Yeah, I think we had
strategy?
I think we had 1 week with a loss, right?
Yeah, only if I can remember it well. Yeah,
But and it was only
once.
like small percentages. It wasn't even like proper losses. They were just like silly mistakes and things where I put them in a small loss just because it was time.
Yeah,
Some of them actually did drop further than that, so they were actually good decisions to get out. But there were also plenty that went up like 10-15% after that. Oh yeah, you see this move is happening now. It's just tricky. The reason what the thing that I hate about this strategy, and that's why I don't do it, like I do it for this live stream, but that's about it. The reason why I don't do this is because it's difficult to walk away from it. Like setting a stop loss here, it's not the strategy, right? You'd have to manage it. You have to buy more when it does it again, and buy more when it does it again, and then sell little bits for profit, and keep doing that until you're out.
Yeah, I agree.
That's
You need to edge and keep watching the.
Yeah, that's what I don't
momentum.
like about this strategy, and it's on the small time frame. So it's not like it's okay if you do it on a long time frame, right? If you do this on the 4-hour chart, then it's okay because you have 4 hours to adjust your orders, right?
Yeah.
So it's a lot easier in that sense. But yeah, the profit, like this scalping stuff, is just it's just so quick. But yeah, just a lot of work, and maybe if you do it with large enough amounts, then it might be worth it for an hour. But I mean, like, how much more should we have had? So we have $4, $5. So to make it worth it, we need to have 100 times more. Right? Then you can do this for an hour a day.
How you did get this strategy, Ben?
It's a strategy that I learned from the Crypto Coiners group. It's a Dutch trading group, or it's a Dutch company, and they do a lot of YouTube live sessions, or at least they did a lot of live sessions. Soda, do they still do those live sessions? I'm not super in the loop with them, but yeah, they basically were teaching this strategy, and they have a scanner for this as well, like the specific strategy. So we're using the quick scanner, which is like a more generic scanner, which will find different types of setups. And this one is just one of them. And as you can see, you can find plenty in an hour, because we had 4 or 5.
Interesting. Yeah,
and their scanner is just it only gives you notification when the criteria is hit, so it's a little bit less noise, so you don't have to sit behind your computer to wait for it. But then again, this strategy is so volatile and demanding that you'll be behind your computer anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, that's where I learned that strategy from, and I tried it, and it's because it's such a simple strategy in theory. Like in practice, it's not as simple because emotions. That's basically the whole thing, right? Like if we look at this, the reason why I got out here is slight emotion. Like I was here, it was in profit, and then I got like in my head that the price was going to go up because other coins were going up, and that's when I closed the position. Yeah, large amounts gives you different types of headaches. Yeah, no, but it gives you different types of headaches. Like in order to get that that profit, you, like I said, you have to have 100 times more funds. So let's look at the funds that we have right now. Currently in $180. Can we get 10 times more? That's $1,800. Yeah, we can. So in theory, it's possible, but then you'd have to risk a lot more as well. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, and actually, it's not 10 times more, it's 100 times more. So we need $18,000. I get my math wrong, which is not uncommon, but 18,000. 18,000 is a stretch for most people to have that available that you can lose. Like people can scrape, like the average savings is higher than 18,000 in the Netherlands at least. But you're not going to risk that, right? That would be silly. If that's all your savings, then you're not going to risk that on this strategy. So you're not going to do that. So 18,000 going in this, and you also can get into the issue that you need to have your orders filled, right? Because we're trading on a 3-minute time frame. If you put 18,000 with 20x leverage in there, you're not going to be able to fill those orders. So it's going to be problematic in that sense. Actually, it looks like B was a good sell or a good close in hindsight. Hindsight is everything is so easy in hindsight. The reason I'm only on Ethereum on the 1 hour time frame has to do with the portfolio. Hello. Okay, we've reached the hour limit. B is closed. Yes, B was closed. Unlock. And then we have HFT. Yeah, that's safe. So we just have Hook and Melania. It's looking good, but
We can leave it there and maybe set a stop loss.
yeah, I will have to do that because I have to go about my day again. Normally you would just play this out. Like this is there's a bounce imminent in this one, but unfortunately I can't wait for it. So that one's now protected. This one's gone. This one, Melania. Oh, it looks like we get a nice entry. Yeah, might have to go again. Is it wise? Who knows? Nice this, nice that. Just waiting for this one to see what happens. I mean, just look at the trend. Like it's still, like it's breaking the trend. Daily Bollinger Band middle. It's looking like it's gonna. is looking a bit like that B trade, but then in opposite direction. Yeah, this one as well. Like, I don't want to do a stop loss here. I want to get an entry. Like, I don't want this. Like, I want, this is looking like a nice move again. Come on, just break out of that Bollinger Band. Come on.
Big correction is coming everywhere. Bitcoin, Ethereum. Everyone is facing a correction.
To the downside?
Yeah. Because lunchtime is coming.
I'm hungry as well, but it's dinner time coming.
So first part of the market cash USA was up, and lunchtime sideways or correction, and this afternoon maybe we could see, this late afternoon we could see again some nice and positive move to the upside.
You know what? Oh, yeah, that happens sometimes. See if I can manage this at home. I do have some time today. Move those there and there. See if we can turn this around. Hook. Yeah, that's also out. Cancel. And target. So this is how I would normally do it. So we would have just been stopped out, but this is how I would normally stay in. Just waiting. I can wait just a tad longer, I suppose. Yeah, I think it's okay. And then we'll just have to go with that. Okay, so we have 2 trades. This one's closed. Nice profit. How much was it? 0.4. Yeah, that's okay. Unlock tab. So close. So let's go over what we had. Oh, look at that B trade. Oh well. So we had 3 profitable trades.
1, 2, 3.
And we're still in 2. And they've got potential. They have got potential. I'll see if I can manage this. All right, everyone. This is going to be the end of the stream. So hopefully I will be able to manage these when I get home. And get some nice profits. If not, it was good. Great to have you all here.
Thanks, everyone. Nice profits again.
there and there. Go. Like this is what you want to see, right? Nice volume. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching. I could sit here for hours and do this, but I don't have the time. Thank you for watching, everyone. Thanks, Raffa, for joining me, and hope to see you again next week. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.